What's the meaning of action film? Action film. Action film. Action film. Action film. Action film. An action film is a genre of movie that typically involves high levels of physical action and/or stunt work. These types of films often feature intense fight scenes, car chases, explosions, and other visually spectacular displays of athleticism and daring. Action films are popular among audiences who enjoy excitement and adrenaline-pumping thrills, as well as those who appreciate the artistry and technical skill involved in creating these dynamic on-screen sequences. While some action films prioritize spectacle over narrative, others use the genre to explore deeper themes such as justice, heroism, and redemption. Overall, action films have become a staple of modern popular culture and continue to draw large audiences around the world.